It's a dirty job, but somebody's got to play in the mud. Look at that. We got trucks. We got mud. Life is good. Hey, Seven. Hey, buddy. He cannot be bothered right now with an interview. He's got to get that truck over there. Did you get it where you needed it? Did you get stuck? Hey, Seven. Did you get it stuck? That's a pretty good bear crawl, huh? Hi, son. Boom, boom, boom. Coming back. Boom, boom, boom. Broom, broom, broom. Broom.